In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now, before creating a new one, click on this gear at the top right one and adjust all of those options under alarm however you want to, like duration. When you finished, go back and tap on this button at the bottom with a plus to add new alarm. First of all, set up an hour at the top. Then click on one of those options, once, weekdays, or custom. If you want to select custom, you can pick days of the week manually by adding the white ones and excluding the blue ones. To save your changes, hit save at the bottom right corner. Now click on snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. To turn off or on your snooze, you can use this switcher next to it. Now click on alarm tone, tap on one of those options, or just click on all ringtones at the bottom, and by tapping on music at the top right corner, click on any song on your device. Then to apply it, hit OK at the bottom right corner. If you want to, you can also click on alarm tone, select one of those available melodies by clicking on the best one, and hit OK as well. When you're ready, go back. Click on this switcher next to vibrate when ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And last but not least, click on label. Now label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and hit OK. Lastly, select this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. To make some changes, click on it, change wherever you want to, and click on the check mark again. To turn it off completely, use this switcher next to it. Then click on one of those options. You can switch it back on by selecting the same, now gray switcher. Lastly, to delete your alarm, just hold it and click on delete at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!